Situated within the exclusive Riverside enclave of Central West Ajax, welcome to 6 Illingworth Lane, a gorgeous 3-bedroom freehold townhome just steps away from conservation lands and a golf course. A stone portico and its extended height front door open into a sunken foyer, which welcomes you into a tastefully decorated main level showcasing 9-foot ceilings and naturally bright, open-themed principal spaces. Hot lights, under-cabinet lighting, and contemporary pendant-style fixtures additionally brighten the updated kitchen and its spacious breakfast area, which features espresso-coloured cabinetry, a glass and stone backsplash, as well as a quartz counter with breakfast seating. Complete with a stainless steel double undermount sink and appliances, the kitchen area has light, neutral-colored walls accentuated with crisp trims and baseboards, and this light, airy palette is carried throughout the entire home. Dark hardwood floors gleam in the elegantly combined living and dining rooms. Warmed by a gas fireplace surrounded with dark stone accents and a crisp white mantle, hot lighting, a modern chandelier, and soft natural light brighten this open concept space. And through the dining area's oversized sliding door walkout is a spacious backyard deck that enjoys views of the neighborhood's conservation lands. The main level also features cellular shades on the 2 windows framing the fireplace and the breakfast room window, while across the main staircase is a sunken landing, off of which is the coat closet, access to the single-car garage, and a powder room with pedestal sink. Abundant storage space is found in the lower level, including a large unfinished room that also features a laundry area complete with front-load washer and dryer, as well as access to a cold cellar. And this level is complete with a spacious family recreation area that has the cozy warmth of Berber broadloom, while both pot lighting and natural light through an oversized window enhances its fresh, neutral color palette. In addition, this home is equipped with smart home technology and includes a garage door opener with remotes, a central vacuum system, and air conditioning. Illuminated by a modern chandelier, the gorgeous oak staircase is accented with wrought iron spindles and finished with a cozy Berber runner. And Berber broadloom also adds cozy comfort throughout the upper level. Featuring a good-sized linen closet, as well as a 4-piece common-use washroom with a tiled floor and bath area, this level also features 3 spacious and naturally bright bedrooms. The second and third bedrooms both have double-sized closets and enjoy a south-facing exposure, while their windows are complete with blackout cellular shades for light control and privacy. Blackout cellular shades are also found on the master bedroom's oversized window, through which views of the nearby conservation lands can be enjoyed. Featuring a double-door entry and a walk-in closet with a motion-activated light, this serene and restful private space is complemented with a spa-like ensuite washroom that showcases tiled finishes throughout, a quartz-topped vanity with rounded edges, undermount basins, and a makeup vanity, a corner tub, and a separate shower area with glass door. Eagle Ridge Public and Pickering High Schools are within walking distance, as is the Pickering Village Business and Entertainment District, while shopping plazas and malls, the Ajax GO station, as well as access to Highways 401 and the 407 are just short drives away. Across from this enclave is the Riverside Golf Course, while access to the nature trails of the Duffins Creek Conservation Area is a short walk away. And, for exclusive use of residents and their guests, is an in-ground outdoor pool just a few steps from the front door.